introduce to you someone very unique. He's the most unique IC in the world! Ipakilala na natin!
Ito ha, sandali lang. Ever loyal.
Ever loyal. Ever faithful.
Ever pogi!
Ever foggy.
Sip, nakasip-sip.
Ayan. Reese. Ayan.
Okay.
Pakilala na natin!
Help us to welcome our International Coordinator for YFC, Kuya Romel Ancheta!
Good evening, everyone! Good evening, YFC! Alam nyo, look at you and see the excellence of YFC in the preparation of the YFC FLC. Nakikita nyo ba yung stage natin? This is our biggest stage in the history ng ILC ng YFC. And you know, pasalamatan po natin, unang-una yung Bubbles for Christ ng Cavite kasi sila talaga yung tumulong sa atin dito sa ILC natin. Pangalawa, pasalamatan natin yung service team, yung mga full-time workers and yung mga volunteers who stayed here and had their Holy Week and even celebrated their birthdays.